Today, let's take a look at two more sets from Greenstrawberry for the 1/5/37 scale refit or A, whichever one you're building. We're going to look at the navigational deflector and also the hangar bay entrance for the rear of the ship. Let's take a look. This is the kit provided part. It's a little hard to see on camera because of the white. There are some little bumps down the center here. The piece is a little thick. So let's compare it to the Greenstrawberry part. These are the parts we're going to be looking at. This kit comes with 3 parts: hangar bay door, it looks like the hangar bay itself, and some PE in here. So let's open it up. Here's the instruction sheet for this kit. It shows you the PE part, the 2 resin parts, and the key here red to take off anything from either the resin parts or the kit itself. If you look down here, you're going to be taking a big part of the kit off here. Then you're going to put the PE onto the resin. You're going to put the deck back onto the ship, and then you're going to put the hangar bay doors onto the ship here. This is the photo etch brass for the sides of the hangar bay doors. If you see, it has little holes in there which lend itself to lighting, and some more detail down here on the bottom. It's a nice addition which you don't have on the main kit itself. Up next is just a simple plain platform that you're going to use for the hangar bay area. Got some lines on the back here to add a little extra detail, but nothing special about this here. And here's our resin replacement for the hangar bay doors. You have the hangar bay doors here. The photo etch is going to go on these 2 sides, and there's a little detail at the bottom. This is a solid resin piece, so if you are going to light up the sides over here, you're going to have to drill out holes all the way through and get your LEDs in the back over here. So there is extra work. I kind of wish this was opened up a little bit, or there were pilot holes here that we could put LEDs in and open it up. If you're really careful, you can drill these out. It shouldn't be a problem, and then get the pieces on here so it'll look pretty good. And here are the 2 pieces side by side. Again, because it's white, it's so hard to see. It has a lot more lines in it for opening up, and this has fewer lines over here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. And this has a deeper slant to it, it looks like. And this one's just short and chubby, and that was the problem with a lot of pieces on the kit itself. They look short and chubby compared to the replacement parts that we're going to get from Greenstrawberry. So this piece is nice. I just wish it was a little easier to work with this for lighting. Definitely going to have to drill this out and get the lights in there. So excellent replacement part. One thing I did forget to mention on this piece, it has the little things here that look like it's lights. I don't remember if there's lights there, and it also has them underneath. So if this was supposed to be lit, that we're not going to be able to light up at all. You're never going to drill straight enough back here to get lights in there, so that would stay unlit. This is the kit provided navigational deflector. It's actually not too bad, and the plastic itself, if you shine a light through here, you can see it. So if you really didn't want to change this and go through all the work, you can make this work with the amber and the blue colors. But we're going to take a look at the Greenstrawberry parts now. This way we can compare and show you what they have going on with this. And this is the instruction sheet for the navigational deflector. It shows you all the parts right up here. The red shows you to take off this piece of the ring and this piece of the ring. Comes with a clear and blue navigational deflector and also a set of PE. Down here, it shows you on the kit the part of the navigational deflector you're going to take off, and that would be the forward 2 rings here. And then it shows you how to put the rings together and also the PE in between. And you're going to choose whichever one you want, either the clear one or the blue one. And then you're just going to put them right onto the ship itself. Here's the 1 PE ring that comes in the set. As you can see, it has all the little holes in it for lighting to be exposed, and it's very thin. Unfortunately, mine is bent on the corners because of how much stuff is in the box. There is a little crease. It's hard to see, but there's a little crease there. Nothing major, but thankfully the ring here did not get warped. So be careful when you're getting these. Just make sure you take it out gently because there are a lot of parts in the box. And these are the 2 rings for the navigational deflector. There is some flash on there, but don't worry about that at all. Those are just the little nubs holding it onto this ring for casting. So just be careful taking these off because this part is pretty thin, and you don't want to just cut it and snap this piece. You're going to want to probably sand it down or take a Dremel rotary tool and get it as close to the bottom as you can, and then sand those little nubs off. And it's the same thing on here. Take a tool, get those off, and then just sand this down nice and flush. And once they're apart, it's not going to fit now, but you'll be able to put them together to make the new ring for the front of the navigational deflector. And the last 2 pieces in the kit are a clear resin and a blue resin navigational deflector. This one you can see all of the ribs inside and it's clear. So if you want to go from the amber to the blue, this is the one you would use, and you can see how clear it is with my finger going through there. It's very nicely cast, and this should go together pretty well. You can see back here too how nice and clear that casting is. And here's your blue navigational deflector, the same thing as the clear one. It has all the ribbing on the side. It's nice and clear on the back. This way you can get some lighting through there. And if you want to just have the blue one, you're not even going to need any other lights like amber or anything like that. You could just keep the blue one in there and you'll have this showing through. So this one, these two pieces actually, not just one, these two pieces are very nicely done. And here's our kit provided part. As you can see, it's not as deep as this part is. You can see the depth on the navigational deflector and the lines are there, but it's not the greatest. These go all the way down. Once you have the rings built up around this, it'll be in the right position, and you can see it actually fits in there like that. So this will actually be replaced. The rings will look a little bit better than this, well, a lot better than this, especially with the navigational deflector in there, and it's gonna light up really nice. So this is another nice piece to work on the kit and make it look a little bit better, or a lot of bit better than what we're getting on the kit itself. So that's it for the hangar bay entrance doors and also the navigational deflector. The entrance doors, it is tough to light those, especially how thick it is, and if those are lights on the top, you're never gonna light those up, so we'll have to eat that one. But the navigational deflector, I love that it comes with two parts, especially for those people that don't want it to change from amber to blue, they just like the blue, or you have the clear option where you can also use amber lights and the blue lights and make it have that transitional effect from one to the other, which is really, really cool. So these two kits actually add on, again, more detail to that 1/537 scale kit that isn't there. I know it's taking a pig and putting lipstick on it, but I've seen a lot of guys build this kit and they've done a phenomenal job getting rid of all that paneling. I know there's inaccuracies in it, but it's always nice to have a Star Trek Enterprise, I keep saying it, at that size, just to have on your shelf, because some of us don't have the room for those big 350 scale kits. So if you enjoyed this content, please hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you hit that like button, because that really, really helps the channel out. It tells the algorithm, if I could spit that one out, that you like this content and you want to see more of it. So it would be greatly appreciated if you hit the thumbs up. I hope you're all taking care of yourselves out there. I hope you're enjoying the content, and I will see you all soon, everybody. Take care, and bye-bye.